the next ethical issue that we are taking is a more practical example, or we can say specific example of applied ethics, that is artificial intelligence and ethics. What I mean to say is that the previous ethical issues that we have discussed, they are more general. They relates to all professional fields. It could be engineering, it could be business, it could be medical, and so on. But this ethical issue pertains to a particular field, that is artificial intelligence. Okay. So in brief, first of all, we will understand what is meant by artificial intelligence, that is AI. So AI is a branch of science and technology that emphasizes creations of creation of intelligent machines that work and react like humans. Okay, we all know this thing. But what is the ethical issue here? So since they can learn from their own experience and can perform actions beyond the scope of those intended by their creator, they add dimensions of ethics to it. This statement we have to clearly understand. We know that they are intelligent machines. So it implies that they can learn from their own experience. Who? Machines. And due to this, they can perform actions beyond the scope of work, those intended by their creator. So humans are the creator, engineer or scientists are the creator, and they have created some machine, some robot, some AI machine, and the scope of work is decided. But since the machine is based on artificial intelligence, they can develop their own experience, and due to this, they can perform actions beyond the scope of work. So the creator, the humans, have not desired that thing, or they have not envisaged that thing, even though machines can do those things. Here comes the role of ethics. Okay, so when we discuss about ethics in artificial intelligence, we have to adhere to these ethical principles. Or what I mean to say is that when any organization or company is developing a technology based on AI, then these four ethical principles must be adhered to, must be kept in mind. Okay, so what are these ethical principles? The first one is the principle of beneficence. And what it says? It says that robots should act in the best interest of human. You have to clearly understand that beneficence itself is an ethical principle, which simply says that your action must not do any harm to any individual, or we can say that your action should spread only positiveness. Okay, so when we apply this principle to AI, we can say that the robots or artificial intelligence machine should act in the best interest of all humans. So if I am the creator of any technology, then any AI technology, then I should follow principle of beneficence, and according to this, I must keep in mind the best interest of human. I should develop only those AI technology which is in the interest of human, and must not develop those AI technology which are not in the interest of humans. Okay. The second principle is non-malfeasance. This is nothing but opposite. If I talk about the word malfeasance, then it is the exact opposite of beneficence. Okay, so non-malfeasance will say that AI machines or robots should not harm humans. Okay, so these two are interrelated, but there is a difference. Beneficent principles relate to the best interest of humans. It does not say anything about the negative impact of negative impact of AI technology on human. So here is the second principle of non-maleficence. It says that if there is an artificial intelligence technology, then it must not harm humans. Okay. The next one is autonomy. What it says that human interaction with robots should be voluntary. This is very important. That is, you must not develop such AI machines in which the human interaction could not occur. Okay, so whenever humans want to interact with the AI technology or robots, then the person, the human, must be free. That is, the interaction must be voluntary. Okay, it should not be mandatory. This is what autonomy principle is saying. And the last ethical principle is of justice. And we have understood that justice is of basic human value. Okay, so this principle says that the benefits of AI machines should be distributed fairly. What is implied by this? That AI machines or robotics, it is a very high and cutting edge technology, and the society throughout, that is, people from all the classes, people from all the regions, are not able to take benefit of such technology. It is a general feeling that only the higher classes or rich people are able to get benefit from this AI technology, and on the other hand, the poor people are getting negative effect, are having impacted by the negative effect of this technology, because people are losing their jobs. So such type of jobs which involve repetitive type of work, they are being done by lower class employees, okay, semi skilled employees. And AI technology is using the, or I should say, AI technology is used or introduced to remove the work of such employees, that is, to remove those employees, and it is substituting the work done by them. Okay, so here what the fourth principle is saying, that the introduction of AI technology should benefit all, that is, it should be distributed to all the people in the society. It should not benefit only richer people, and it must not harm poor people. Okay, so this was the sixth ethical issue that I have discussed, which is artificial intelligence and ethics. Now we'll take one more ethical issue, which is also a very, I should say, the most important issue which is going on throughout the world, which is the environmental ethics issue. Okay, so we will take that last one, ethical issue. Thank you.